Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to start this project off using this little wooden house. I believe I got this at Michael's. And the first thing I'm going to do is take my antique wax and I'm going to go around the edges and kind of into the center. And I also did the whole back. And I even did the bottom. I really wanted this to look very finished. So once I had it all stained and it was all dry, I'm going to take this scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was in a pack of scrapbook paper, one of the books, a Christmas one. So I'm just going to lay that right on there. Make sure that it's nice and even so the pattern's going all the same way. I'm going to trace around it and then I'm going to cut that out. So once I have that all cut out, I'm going to take my Mod Podge and I'm going to add it to my little house, and then I'm just going to Mod Podge that paper on. And this is kind of thicker scrapbook paper, so I did, kind of an extra coat of Mod Podge, so I made it a little bit thicker than I normally would. And just set that on there, and just kind of make sure that it's all stuck. Then I took a baby wipe and kind of wiped off all the excess that was around the edges. Then once it was dry, I gave it a good sand around the edges. And I actually sanded this really well and right onto all the edges and made sure that you couldn't see the seam at all. And this paper worked great for that. I run around the whole thing, making sure that I sanded really well. Then once I had it all sanded, I'm going to go back in with that antique wax and go over the parts that I sanded so you don't see the white from the paper. And look how beautiful this is. I like it just the way it is. Doesn't even need any more. But I'm going to add more. So I'm going to take these gift toppers. I just got these at Walmart, and they are like so super cute. They had a bunch of different sets of them, but I really liked these two. So I'm going to use this one that says Joy. And I'm going to cut off the hanger that was originally on it. And I didn't cut it all the way because part of that hanger is holding the little ornament in the center of that loop, of the hoop, I should say. I'm going to hot glue on the back of that Joy part. Make sure it's centered in my sign. And then put that right on there. And how stinking cute is this? And then I'm just going to take this little piece of lace ribbon from Dollar Tree and pop that right on the top. And that is it. This project is done. It's so simple and turns out so cute. These would be super cute gifts, and look how fast you can make this. It was really simple and didn't cost me very much money, and it came out absolutely beautiful. It looks like something you could buy in a gift shop. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.